Today we have a 2008 535xi where we were replacing the front ABS sensors, otherwise known as the speed sensors. So to replace the speed sensor, the ABS sensor, you can do one of two ways. You can remove the wheel, the number 17 socket impact gun, or just go around it like I'm about to do. It's gonna be located right there. It's gonna go towards the axle on both ends, one there and right there. So start off with number 6 Allen. We're gonna go ahead and remove these little bolts or little screws here, and then from there we're gonna work around it. It's similar on both ends and how it works. You see this little bracket right here. The speed sensor connects like this to the bracket there, so there'll be one here as well as one here. Just pretty much pull them off using a pry tool, or just kind of working it out like so on this end as well as that end, and then from there we'll get to the next step. So after you remove that Allen over there on the speed sensor, ABS sensor, whatever, and remove these from the bracket, one here and one over here, you can use a little flathead pry tool or whatever, pop this out. Once you do that, you're gonna follow the wire all the way to here and open this up like so, and pull this one down and just squeeze the sides of this here and pull it out. I guess I can't do it with one hand, but pretty much that. We're just gonna swap it out once we get this out. All right, y'all, so we've got the old speed sensor removed, and just a slight correction, you actually don't have to squeeze anything. I thought you did because it was broken beforehand. You might have to be honest. All right, y'all, so our old speed sensor is removed, as you can see. Actually, it was squeezing the wrong point. The part you would squeeze at is gonna be right here. It was broken in the past, as you can see. So you would normally squeeze right here to get it out, but for me, just have to pull it out. So we're gonna go ahead and install the new one. If you can see this in this plug here, it only goes in one direction. So, like so, see that there? I'm gonna go ahead and just slide it in. And normally you would hear a click. However, we're just gonna try to snug it all the way in as possible. And then pretty much get it reinstalled in there. So let me get this in completely, and we'll head on to the next step of putting it back in there and routing it around. So I've got it plugged up now, and as you can see from this point here, we'll be going to the top. We will slide into the top portion there. So let me go ahead and just route it in and get this slid in like so. Oop, my glove got cut. So we're gonna slide that in. Boom, and then it clips in right there. Close it up, and now we're gonna reroute everything around. So this will go right there. Oh, let's go ahead and get this through first though. So I'll route this around, and it could be like slightly easier with the wheel removed, however you don't really have to. So now we're gonna slide that into that bracket there. Do the same on the top right here as well. If you just kind of feel around, you'll figure out where the bracket is. So I pretty much have it in, slapped in. So now we're gonna go ahead and place this back in the hole, all the way in, like so. And then we're gonna tighten that Allen back down, and we'll be done. So thanks for watching, y'all. Do the same with the other side, and please like and subscribe. More videos to come.